When you want to learn the conjugation of verbs in German, the first thing that you'll have to know is the personal pronouns in German. In English, we have them as follows: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Okay? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. The corresponding personal pronouns in German are ich for I, du for you, he is er, she is sie, and it is es. Okay? While we is wir, you is ihr, and they is sie and sie. So you notice that we have used twice, and once is du, and the other time it is ihr. The difference is the very same like in English, where du is a single person, you, and ihr is a multitude of persons, ihr. And thrice we see that we have sie. Let's take a color. Sie, sie, sie. The difference is between the conjugation of verbs, while sie is conjugated for the singular of she, and at the they it is conjugated the same way for the both cases here. But the difference is that one is uppercase and the other is lowercase, which makes the difference if it is multiple persons somewhere far away, they, sie, and if it is just one person that you are trying to talk respectively with respect, so that person is in a higher positional hierarchy than you, then you use, or elder than you, then you use sie with uppercase S. That is the only difference. So let's repeat again. I, ich, you, du, he, er, she, sie, it, es. Okay? We is wir, you is ihr, they is sie, and sie. Okay, let's clean it up a little bit. Okay, so we got them down. We got the personal pronouns down. So the first thing that I want to teach you is a little trick to remember how to conjugate the verbs that are regular. Let me write it down for you. So the endings that always follow the conjugation of a verb with ich is I. Du makes the verb always end with st, st. Er, sie, es with a simple t. We with n. You again with t. And they with en again. I want you to remember these and to try and repeat them religiously so you don't forget them. I ends with I, du, st, s with t, wir, en, ihr with t, and zizi with en. Okay, so we got this down. Let's go and try to conjugate some regular verbs. Regular verbs. So the first regular verb that I can think of now is lachen. Lachen. Excuse me. Lachen. Okay, it means to laugh. To laugh. Let's write down once more the personal pronouns in German, which were ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, and sie, sie. Okay. So we got the personal pronouns down, and the rule for the conjugation of regular verbs was the following: that ich ended with e, du with st, sie with t, wir with an, once again t, an. You probably see that these two are the same. That could be a way to memorize it by heart for you. So, okay, we wrote down the endings. Now let's try and clean it up a little bit and actually do some conjugation. Let's take lachen. When you're conjugating a regular verb, you always mentally delete the en in the ending and then just put the endings for each single personal pronoun at the end of it, like this. Ich lachen, you delete the en, then put the e to the end of it. Lache. Du lachst. St. Excuse me, let me write it down with another color. St. Sie, es. Lacht. Lacht. T. Okay? Wir lachen. Excuse me again, I always forget to change the colors. Lachen. Ihr lacht. Lacht. And sie lachen. Excuse me. Oh. Yep. Lachen. Okay, you see that they follow religiously the endings that I put down. Okay, and so on and so forth. So, ich lache, du lachst, sie, es lacht, wir lachen, ihr lacht, and sie lachen. Sehr gut. The first conjugation went without any hiccups, right? So let's try another one. Okay, let's try another color. Okay. Let's try gehen. Gehen. Excuse me? Gehen. Ich gehe. Du. Excuse me. Du. Gehst. Same as the ending. It always follows the ending. So let me just quickly write down ge. Okay, so the first thing we did is we mentally blocked out the en. Then we, as I told a little while ago, we just put the endings corresponding to the conjugation, to the personal pronoun. Where ich gehe, du gehst, sie, es geht, wir gehen, ihr geht. Okay, let me write that again. Ihr geht, and sie gehen, which means to walk or to go. Ich gehe, du gehst, sie, es geht, wir gehen, ihr geht, and sie gehen. Sehr gut. Sehr gut. So now we had two examples of how to conjugate verbs, regular verbs in German. So I'd like you to go out of your way and make a little time for yourself after this video ends and just try and conjugate a few regular verbs. For example, backen. Let me think of another one. Schreiben. Spielen. Hören. Hören. I think that's enough. That's enough. Which respectively, the meanings of these verbs are to bake, to write, to play, and to hear. Okay? Hören, to hear, spielen, schreiben, backen, or to play, to write, and to bake. So I'd like for you to try them out and see if you can apply this law of conjugating regular verbs without a hiccup. So that's it for today, and viel Spaß!